How to succeed as an affiliate. And is there an affiliate success method? You're probably overwhelmed, confused, and frustrated with all this contradicting information about how to start or how to make money as an affiliate. And I've seen it myself online, on YouTube, on maybe other social media. They tell you how to make money, but a lot of it is contradicting and it's kind of confusing. So in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to become successful as an affiliate online marketer. And I'm going to share with you 3 important secrets that only top 3% of the affiliate do. Hello, this is Mark Daniels, a factory worker turned digital entrepreneur over 10 years ago. My life right now is absolutely blessed, but it wasn't always like that. I was confused, frustrated, and overwhelmed with all the information that I see online about how to start a business. I've taken many courses. I went to seminars, webinars, you name it, I've done it. But nothing really worked until I met my mentor. I remember the first time when I sat in front of my mentor. After repeated requests for him to accept me to work with him and learn from him, of course, for free. He looked me in the eye and he said, "I'm not smarter than you. I don't want you to think that I'm smarter than you. I have a higher IQ than you. The only thing is, I know more things than you do. So I want you to understand that if you are in that situation, it's not because maybe you're not smart enough, you don't work hard enough, because I did work very, very hard. Nothing really happened. But it's just the information that we don't know. Information is the most important commodity. So I created this channel to share the information that I know with the people who are hungry to succeed, whether in business, online, side business, it doesn't really matter because a lot of things, it's just what you know. It's not how you studied or what you studied online or what you studied in college. It got really nothing or not much to do with it. So if you are hungry to succeed and you want the information, the insider information, all you have to do is subscribe, drop a like, and make sure to hit that notification bell to get the latest information. Before I get to the deep stuff, what I like to do is I'm going to give you some information you probably don't know. One of them is that according to Business Insider, the affiliate online marketing is a $14 billion industry. Surprisingly, only 3% of all affiliates worldwide generate that $14 billion. How much money do they make? Well, I can attest to that, and I can tell you anywhere between $15,000 up to $1 million a month. I'm not telling you you're going to be making $1 million, $10 million, or $5. I just don't know that. I'm just giving you some figures. It's up to you to decide how much you're going to make. It depends on how you take the information that I'm giving you right here on this video and how you're going to process it and make it work for you. Now, you're probably asking, well, what about the rest of the affiliate? There are 97% of them. They average about $100 a month, but many of them don't make any money. So the 97% don't do what the 3% are doing. The 3%, the reason they are successful is because they are doing something different. Now, I'm going to share with you 3 secrets, and if you get them and if you understand them very well, you'll be on your way to be a successful affiliate marketer. Secret number 1, product chaser syndrome. Unsuccessful affiliates, this is what they really concentrate on. They concentrate about finding the right product because they think the right product is the key to their success. So if I find the right product, I'm going to go ahead and succeed. That's not what the top affiliates do. I'm talking about 3% of the top affiliates in the world. They don't do that. Let's go ahead and think about McDonald's. Does McDonald's make the best tasting hamburger in the world? Obviously, they don't. I'm sure you have tasted better hamburger. But that begs the question, why they are the best or the top or they sell most hamburgers in the world than anybody. Why they do that? They don't have a good product. The product is maybe average or maybe a little bit above average, but they are the number 1 seller of that product. The reason is because they have a foundation. The most important thing that you need to concentrate on is systemization and automation. This is the biggest thing that makes them tick, and this is the number one key to their success. And it's no different. What are you selling? If you are selling online, offline, it doesn't matter. When you have systems and automation in process, then your success is much better than anybody else. And that's what the top 3% concentrate on. Secret number 2, which is poor mindset. What I'm talking about here is not like you're poor. It's just like your mindset is limited to a certain belief. Usually in our past, something happens, it depends on our environment, and it starts when you are young, or could be a trauma that happened to you during your years. I know a lot of people that they've been in an environment which is toxic to their success. They've been told you're not worthy, you can't do it. No matter how much you try, you're always gonna be a failure. All these things, especially in a younger age, does affect you tremendously when you grow up. So it puts like an invisible ceiling on how far you can reach. When I'm talking about how far of your success or how much money you can make. So how to overcome that? What I'm going to do, in case you are suffering from that issue, I do have a video that you can watch. I'm going to show it to you in this video. What I would recommend for you is to go ahead and watch it, because this is the secret of how to overcome that. And at the same time, how to set your goal. Secret number 3, do not reinvent the wheel. All you have to do is copy what the top 3% of the affiliates are doing. You don't have to sit there trying to figure things out, because it's going to take you probably maybe 10 years or longer. Now, what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to share with you the tools that are used by the top affiliates. So let's go ahead and talk about the first one, email automation. What I'm talking about is autoresponder. It's about 97% of all the autoresponders, they're not affiliate friendly. Maybe you can get away with it maybe in a month, 2 or 3. And then what they do is they shut down your account. The second thing about autoresponder companies, if you have a domain name, what they do is they charge you per domain. If you have 2 domain names, what they do, they charge you 2 times. Or if you have 3, they charge you 3 times. Now, the one that I'm going to suggest to you is called Aweber. They are affiliate friendly, and then you can have as many domains as you want. All the tools that I'm talking about, they're all in the description area below. A sales funnel. It is so important for your success, because it does take your prospect, takes them through a series of steps, turn them from a prospect to a buyer. Now, the other one that I'm going to talk about is very important as well, which is a hosting platform or a domain name. Now, I've been hearing a lot online that yes, you can start and you can sell affiliate products without a website. Yes, you can. But if you want to model the top 3% of the affiliates who are making the thousands of dollars, I just do exactly what they do. We have tried every single hosting platform that ever existed. And the best one that we can ever find is BLUEHOST. A tracking system is used by every top affiliate. And this is a must for the people that I coach. You must use that. If you don't, I'm not going to work with you, because simply you're not going to really succeed. Because if you can't measure it, you can't improve it. If you can't improve it, then you're lost. And the last one that you're going to need in order for you to succeed, and this is part of your foundation as well, you need a traffic. And if you are new to the traffic world, you have to market. If you don't market, basically this is a death sentence. The minute you stop marketing, you stop growing. This is a rule that you must understand as an affiliate. The one that I would suggest for beginners is basically Udemy. A lot of people who are using that platform, they can actually rate the person who is giving them the service. This is the best one for beginners, and it's very cheap. Like I promised you, I'm going to go ahead and just give you the video. So make sure you wait till the end so you can click on it. You don't have to look for it. Basically, this is called The Strangest Secret in the world, which is by Earl Nightingale. I still listen to it till this day, every day. The reason I do that is because you always want to train your mind. And when you start doing that, you'll start to see things happening without you noticing. So it's very important for you to do that. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you do, and you want to be part of my family, all you have to do again is subscribe, drop a like, and make sure to hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to know. And I'll see you guys at the top.